13 News Now is your back-to-school station. We're just around the corner from the start of the new academic year. But before students start their classes, they have to check a few things off their lists. School and daycare required immunizations.
As Baracco reports, pediatricians are recommending other vaccines not on the required list.
Yeah, but he's a happy little baby.
Kyra Finney says motherhood is a constant game of playing catch-up.
I'm a mom, I'm young. It's weird, but I'm kind of getting used to it.
As her son Cairo grows bigger every day and spends more time in daycare, she's now trying to keep up with his vaccinations.
Yes, he probably does need the vaccines, but I make sure I read up on it and I know what he's taking and what the vaccine is for, because some of them may be unnecessary. He doesn't necessarily have to take them, but if I feel like it's in his best health, then yeah, he's getting every vaccine he needs.
That's what Dr. Douglas Mitchell with Norfolk Pediatrics is also trying to help parents do. He says with a long list of school and daycare immunization requirements, he wants parents to consider getting their children vaccinated sooner rather than later.
Everybody's going to be busy. The last minute rush is going to be a challenge to parents. It's going to be a challenge to pediatricians. And so schedule as soon as possible and have patience. Everybody's doing the best that they can.
Dr. Mitchell says while the coronavirus and flu vaccines are not on the required list, he highly recommends parents consider getting their children the necessary shots.
The more people we have immunized, the less problem we're going to have with the virus moving forward.
He says shielding young children from the virus in schools can have a domino effect on their family and friends.
We've got to protect the younger children too, so they don't bring it home and give it to the grandparents that are more likely to have bad outcomes.
At almost a year old, Cairo is already eligible for the COVID-19 shot. Finney says for her small family, the rush to get the vaccines can wait.
As far as COVID and the flu, I'll wait till he gets older, 6 or 7 maybe. I'm gonna leave him alone for a little while and not push too much medicine on him.
In Virginia Beach, I'm Baracco for 13 News Now.
The Virginia Department of Health has a full list of required vaccinations for schools and daycare centers. To learn which vaccine your child needs at each age, go to 13newsnow.com. Just search school immunizations.